Hi guys, this is gsmdown.com and I'm here with a preview of a very interesting phone. It's known as the Allview X3 Soul Pro, and we've already reviewed the X3 Soul and X3 Soul Mini. It's a locally integrated version in Romania of the Gionee S8 handset that hasn't even launched in some countries yet. It's supposed to come in May, which is this month. The phone, X3 Soul Pro, was officially launched in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress 2016 in February, and the deliveries have just started happening recently. So it's priced at around $500 and it's supposed to be Allview's core flagship at the moment. It's also the first 3D touch enabled handset from the company Allview, which means if you press the screen harder you can see extra features related to some of the applications like I've just shown you. They don't call it 3D touch, they call it multi-level touch. It also has a 2.5D glass panel at the front and it's beautiful looking. The phone is also slim at 7mm in thickness, comes in gold or grey with a beautiful metal case with this special accent, grey accent surrounding all the edges. Another interesting aspect, you get a home button here with a fingerprint scanner, and this is a dual SIM phone that opts for an AMOLED Full HD screen with a 5.5-inch diagonal. Inside we can find a MediaTek CPU, the MediaTek Helio P10, accompanied by some pretty impressive extra specs like 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM. At the front there is an 8-megapixel camera for the selfies, while at the back the main shooter is a 16-megapixel unit with an LED flash and laser focus, which is no small feat. Here we have the USB Type-C connector and the battery inside, 3000 mAh unit. Also, we're running on Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which is quite nice, and we're supposed to get a special flash selfie feature. Basically the screen lights up more than usual, serving as a flash for our front camera. There's LTE of the category 6 kind, and let's load up gsmdom.com very fast. Where other things we're mentioning, this one is a flagship from Allview. It has the latest technology available from this brand, and the back camera comes with RWB technology, which is supposed to reduce the noise up to 80% in low light conditions. Okay, so I'm pretty curious about the camera UI to see if anything has changed, because we've tested quite a few Allview phones lately, and here we go. So typical user interface with these modes, this time they're separately shown. We got slow motion, panorama, something called macro, night, time lapse, there's text recognition, HDR, professional, smart scene, super photo, GIF, smart scan, and that's about it. Here we have panorama, photo, face beauty and video all separated, and some extra options are available here. This is our first contact with the beautiful Allview X3 Soul Pro, the locally integrated version in Romania of the Gionee S8 that caused quite a bit of hype when it was unveiled, and it hasn't even reached the stores in all over the world. So that's a pretty impressive premiere here at gsmdom.com. Things to remember: a very pleasant design that involves a metal unibody chassis. This phone is a dual SIM unit and it has that support for, let's say, 3D touch, although it bears the name of multi-level touch here. This preview has been served in lieu of an unboxing because we don't have the official box. Anyway, this is the Gionee S8 Allview X3 Soul Pro in a nutshell, priced at around $500. We'll be back with a full review very soon. Bye bye.